So first, make sure to wear your PPE or personal protective equipment. So next, before we perform the facial manipulation, we need to wash our hands and dry it with clean hand towel. After washing our hands, now we will prepare our implements and cosmetics in facial manipulation. So these are the implements and cosmetics that we are going to use in facial manipulation. The first step is prepare the patron. Protect the hair by fastening a headband around her hair. Make sure that your patron is relaxed and comfortable. The next step is analyze the skin, if the skin is dry, oily, or normal. So ito, after nating linisin yung face ni patron dahil dry, so gagamit na tayo ng cleansing cream. Mag-a-apply na tayo. So kapag mag-a-apply kayo ng cleansing cream, pwede kayong gumamit ng brush. No? So ako, ang prefer kong gawin is mag-a-apply ko siya gamit ng finger ko. So yan, dapat yung paglalagay is yung gently lang and light pressure lang. So ito, since yung fingertips yung ginagamit natin, so dapat yung direction of movement ng fingertip natin is upward para maiwasan yung loss of resiliency and sagging of skin and muscles. So after 1 minute, remove the cleansing cream with clean tissue or warm, moist towel. So additional lang, once manipulations have begun, do not remove your hands from client's face. No? So if necessary to remove them, feather off and gently replace in feather-like movements. So use an even tempo or rhythm to induce relaxation. So ito, since yung sabi ko kanina nga, dapat yung warm moist towel yung ginagamit natin. So yan. Gently lang dapat light lang yung pressure ng pag-press, okay? Para hindi masaktan yung face ni patron. So ayan, dahan-dahan lang dapat yung pag-alis ng cleansing cream, okay? So dito, may a-apply din natin yung 5 hand stroke, no? Ito yung effleurage, petrissage, tapotement, friction, tsaka yung vibration. So, alam ko naman na natatandaan nyo pa yon dahil na-discuss natin yon sa foot spa and hand spa. So, ito, medyo natagalan ako ng konti dahil mahirap alisin yung cleansing cream, no? So, ito, dapat naman talaga na alisin natin ng maayos yung cleansing cream. Dapat walang matitira. Kasi pwedeng maging cause yun ng acne or pwede din siyang ma-irritate yung skin ni patron kung may maiiwan na cleansing cream, okay? So, di baling matagal, basta't ang importante is maalis natin ng maayos yung cleansing cream. So, since tapos na tayong alisin yung cleansing cream ni patron. Next is apply emollient cream, then give facial manipulation, no? So, ang ginamit ko is Nivea cream. Yan. So, ito, ang ginamit ko yung fingertip, no? Dapat dahan-dahan lang. So, ito, ikalat natin yung Nivea cream sa face ni Pedram. Bakit yung Nivea yung napili kong gamitin? Kasi hindi naman agad naalis yung parang oil or yung dapat, 'di ba, madulas yung face ni Pedram kapag ginawa natin yung facial manipulation para hindi sumasama yung skin niya sa fingertip natin, kasi kapag ganoon masakit sa skin ni Pedram yun. So dapat madulas ng konti. So yung ibang alternative na gamitin is yung iba gumagamit sila ng oil, yung iba naman petroleum jelly, or yung iba naman gumagamit sila ng ibang klase ng oil, no? So yan, dapat upward yung pagkakalat ng cream sa mukha ni Pedram. Bakit kailangan upward yung pagkakalat niya or pag-massage? Para hindi magsaga yung skin ni Pedram, no? So yan, nakalit na natin yung Nivea cream. So diba sabi ko sa discussion kanina, yung kasama sa facial manipulation is yung face, neck, tsaka yung upper chest. So ayan, minamassage na natin siya. So yan, 5 times natin gagawin yan, yung chin movement. So yung lift chin using slight pressure, place both fingers on both sides of the jawline and rotate. So yan, 5 times natin gagawin yan. So yan, kung napapansin ninyo, yung ginagamit ko is yung fingertips nung kamay ko, 'di ba? Yan, fingertips lang yung ginagamit ko para hindi masaktan. Pwede din naman tayong gumamit yung sa kamay natin, yung knuckles, yan, pwede yun. So next naman yan, yung lower cheek. So next is yung lower cheeks, no? So using circular movements, rotate from chin to ears. So yan, napapansin niyo yung fingertips natin, nag-start siya sa chin. So yan, papunta sa ear ni Pedram or papunta sa temple, okay? So next is yung linear movement over forehead. So slide fingertips to temple, rotate with pressure on upward stroke, then slide to the left eyebrow, then stroke up to hairline, gradually moving hands across forehead to right eyebrows. Yan, so yan yung ginagawa natin. Simula sa left, papuntang right. So yan, ikot natin ulit or rotate yung pressure dun sa temple, no? Gamit nung fingertip. So next is yung circular movement over forehead. So starting at eyebrow line, work across middle of forehead and then toward the hairline. So yun ang ginagawa natin. So yan, paalala lang, sa 10 basic facial manipulation natin is 5 times natin silang uulitin, no? So yan, ang ginagamit ko is yung fingertips ko lang. So dapat i-light pressure lang yung pagdiin ng fingertips para hindi masaktan si Pedram, and dapat dahan-dahan lang para hindi siya mahilo, okay? So yung next na gagawin natin is yung crisscross movement, no? So dito sa crisscross movement, na-apply natin yung friction, no? So yan, fingertips yung gagawin natin or gagamitin natin. So yan, start at one side of forehead and work back. So yan, pag-crisscross siya, no? So yan yung sinasabi ko na may friction. Friction. So, yan yung iba, ganyan yung ginagawa nila. Ganyan yung friction nila. Pero, same lang naman yan. Criss-cross din yung tawag dyan. So, next is yung stroking headache movement. So, slide finger to center of forehead. Then, draw fingers with slight pressure toward temples and rotate. So yan. Pero yung ginawa ko kanina is nirotate ko muna yung sa temple niya. So yan yung slide fingers to center of forehead. So yan, inayos ko muna yung iba ni patron dahil naalis. Yan, remember na dapat light pressure lang. Okay? 5 times nating uulitin yan. So, yung next is yung lifting movement of cheeks. So, ang gagawin natin, ang gagamitin natin is yung knuckles ng kamay natin. So, yan. So, proceed from mouth to ears and then from nose to top part of ears. So, yan ginagawa natin sa malapit sa yung sa chin, tapos yung malapit sa mouth, then yung sa malapit sa nose, papunta sa ears or temple. Okay? So, light pressure lang dapat ha, hindi yung madiin, baka masaktan si patron. So, yung next is rotary movement of cheeks, no? So, yan ginamit natin yung fingertip natin, no? So, massage from chin to earlobes, from mouth to middle of ears, and from nose to top of ears. So, yan. Ulit-ulit lang siya ng 5 times. Dapat light pressure lang, ha? So, next is yung light tapping movement. So, work from chin to earlobe, mouth to ear, nose to top of ear, and then across forehead. So, 5 times natin siyang ulitin. So, yung iba, ang tawag na dyan is tapotament. So, meron tayong ibang pwedeng gamitin dyan, yung yan. Para ka lang nagaan ng keyboard, diba? Yung iba ganun yung ginagamit nila. So yan, mas prefer ko na ganito yung light tapping lang. And yung last is yung stroking movement of neck. So apply light upward stroke over front of neck. Use heavier pressure on sides of neck in downward stroke. So yan, yung kayo na ginagawa natin. Para magpantay yung massage natin sa face, sa chin, and then sa upper chest. Na yung sa neck. So yan, nilagyan ko yung ano ni patron. So yan, nire-remove ko na yung cream na nilagay natin kanina na Nivea cream. So again, remove the cream with warm, moist hand towel. So dapat dahan-dahan lang. So, yung next is apply astringent and apply moisturizing lotion. So, yung ginamit ko sa astringent is yung micellar water. So, sa Silka ko nabili yan. So, 70 plus lang ata yan kung sa natatandaan ko, no? So, yan. Gagamit din tayo ng cotton. Para lang tayo naglalagay ng toner, ganun. Pero yan, pampalinis ng ano. Para mawala yung oil ng Nivea, diba?
真的睡着了。
So, after nating i-apply yung astringent, so yan, pinatuyo ko muna. Yan, next na ilalagay natin is yung moisturizing lotion. So, lahat ng product na ginamit ko is sa silica, no? Pero lang yung, yung Nivea. So, yan, habang nilalagay ko yung moisturizing lotion, yan, minamassage ko na din ng konti ulit, no? Para malalax. Yan, sa chin, sa upper chest, yan, pati yung malapit sa batok, yun. So, yung last step is remove the protective hair cover, tsaka yung hair towel, or kung meron man, and yung the body covering. Yan. Thank you!